What's good? It's the OG back with another video. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also hit that thumbs up. I truly appreciate it. I got a pack in. I wanted to share with you guys real quick, so sit tight. Now this is something I had a while ago, but these are not DS. I just, you know what I'm saying, I got them for a little steal, you know what I'm saying? So just wanted to shoot a quick little video of them. Enjoying this last little weather, because it's about to get cold. Anyway, 8-inch Timbs. I'm looking for a good price for a pair of 40 below Timberlands, the ones Tupac's had in Juice. But man, every pair I see in my size going for like $700 to $800. I even seen a pair for $1,300. And I ain't trying to pay that price, man. Not for no Timbs. These some 8-inch Timbs. You know, they got the little loops on them, but still they not the 40 below, you know. But they alright. You know what I'm saying? They alright. That's the toe box of it. That's the side of it. It's your Timberland right there. It's the back of it. They're not DS. Again, they not DS. But I'm gonna rock the shit out of them. And that's the video for today. Thank you guys for tuning in. I truly appreciate you guys. For real, I just want my YouTube to take off, man. For real. A little better than what it's doing, because right now it's slow. It's like stuck, you know what I'm saying? But I'm noticing it's not just my YouTube channel. I see a lot of big YouTube guys, and you know, they channels is like, I don't know what's going on with YouTube. Maybe they don't want to pay out the money. I don't know what it is, you know, but it ain't all about the money. I just want my videos to get out there, you know what I'm saying? It's the OG. I'm gonna get up out of here. Love you guys. Peace.